We want our leaders, and I'm so happy when I see a young man like Atani here, who is the chair of the budget committee. I also saw the senator, who is the chair of the transport committee in Senate. I want to encourage you as our leaders in Parliament, which is now key in resource allocation. Please put your spotlights so that there is equity and fairness in the resource allocation in the entire country. So I want to encourage Atandi, as chair of the budget committee, and others in Parliament, please look at Kenya holistically so that Kenya can progress, because we are all equal, we are all one nation, and we must work together without leaving any section of the country